Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, let's learn how to fix Vanish Mode option not available on Instagram. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do is make sure that your internet speed or connection is good. After that, what you have to do is go to the Play Store or App Store and make sure that your Instagram application is updated. If any updates are available for Instagram, make sure to update it first. After that, go back to Instagram application. Here you can search if Vanish Mode option is working or not. Simply swipe up to turn on the Vanish Mode. Here on my device it's working. If it's not working on your device, don't worry, I'll show you other steps to fix the problem. So next step what you have to do is here tap and hold on Instagram application, and here you'll find the option of uninstall. So here you can uninstall your Instagram application. I'm not doing it. You have to do it. After that, go to the Play Store or App Store, and here you can search for Super VPN and install this application, and make sure to connect the server with your phone. After it get connected, reinstall your Instagram application. This might help you to fix your problem. If it's not, then the last tip what you have to do is go to these three horizontal lines, scroll down to help option. Here go to report a problem section. After that, here you can go for search. Search for Vanish Mode not available. After that, you can get help from this help center. If not, send feedback to Instagram support team. I guess they will help you soon. I hope this video will help you out to get the Vanish Mode option on your Instagram. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. See you guys in the next video.